The following segment is sponsored by the Salt Lake City Mission. As the air turns crisp, the needs of our homeless and less fortunate neighbors grow. Pastor Shawn Clay is here to share how the Salt Lake City Mission needs your help to make a difference in our Utah community. Welcome to the show, Pastor.
Thanks again for having me.
Great to see you. 'Tis the season. You're always doing great things. For those that are watching that may not know, what is the Salt Lake City Mission?
Oh, that's a big question. We do a lot of things. Right now, we're getting ready for Thanksgiving and helping out the food insecure, but we also have a men's recovery program. We also do outreaches, and we have a day area where we invite the unsheltered and also people that just need a place to go, a safe place to be. We open up the doors and let them come in, and we're provide a safe place for them. We serve a hot meal every day, 6 days a week.
No
we serve
way.
Oh, yes, yes.
It's a big need, right?
It's a huge need. It's a huge need.
Wow. Wow. And this mission, the Salt Lake City Mission, has been going on for a long time. How long have you guys existed?
Pastor Wayne Wilson and his wife Monica Wilson started the Salt Lake City Mission 38 years ago.
38 years.
38 years. Through the ups and downs, the doors are still
legacy.
open. Yes,
That's
most
fantastic.
definitely, yeah.
Now, you help people, like you said, 6 days a week you're feeding, but this goes all year round, not just for Thanksgiving, not just the holidays.
Right. And that's why we need support, just not during the holiday season, but also all year round, because the need does not go away after Christmas.
What is the need right now specifically for the homeless and for the food insecure? What is the need? How big is it?
It's huge. It's huge. As we see, as we're driving around town, State Street, North Temple, as we're driving around the areas, the big need for the unsheltered community is definitely coats, warm coats, whether they're gently used or brand new, warm coats, gloves, hats, scarves, socks, boots, things like that can help the people that are out there all day and also all night.
I just went outside. We did a family activity. My son forgot his jacket, and boy, he felt it within minutes. Imagine those that don't have one to be able to put on, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's amazing what the need you guys can do. So how can we donate? How can we get involved?
There's many ways. You can do coat drives, sock drives, hat drives, glove drives, hand warmer drives, and also, you can either bring these items down, or we give us a call at 801-355-6310, and we would be more than happy to come pick them up.
You guys do amazing work. You've done this a long time, and you're carrying that tradition forward after 38 years. How can we get more involved, and where can we go for that information?
You can either come down to our office. Our office is 1151 South Redwood Road, Suite 106, or you can get on our website, saltlakeCityMission.org, and you can see all of our needs, all of our right now needs, and also year-round needs.
Pastor Shawn, you've seen this affect the lives of so many people.
Sure.
What's the most significant thing that you've seen that is heartwarming for you as you put this labor of love in?
Sure, to see families come in with children and to see them just so thankful to get the food that they need and also the clothing that they need and get the school supplies that they need, and they're just so happy and so blessed by receiving
We're
these
glad to
things.
help you in any way we can.
We appreciate it.
Thank you, Pastor.
Thank you for having me.
This is great.